If you love classic desserts that never go out of style, you're going to love today's video. We are making two iconic desserts, a rich eggless tiramisu and a classic New York style cheesecake. Let's begin with the eggless tiramisu, super easy and absolutely foolproof. In a large bowl, take mascarpone cheese, add chilled heavy cream, caster sugar and a touch of vanilla essence. Now whip everything together until the mixture turns light, fluffy and smooth. This texture is key, airy but stable. Next, prepare the coffee soak. Take 2 cups of chilled water, add coffee powder and mix until it dissolves completely. Now take a ladyfinger biscuit, dip it quickly on both sides, don't over soak it. Line the bottom of your serving dish with the biscuits. Once the base is ready, add a generous layer of the mascarpone cheese. Now spread it evenly, then add another layer of coffee-soaked biscuits. Finish with the remaining cream on top. Dust the top with cocoa powder for that classic tiramisu finish. Now cover and freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight. What you get is a soft, creamy, coffee-infused dessert that melts in your mouth. Now let's move on to the classic New York style cheesecake. We'll start with the crust. Add graham crackers to a processor and blend till fine crumbs. Now transfer to a bowl and mix in sugar, salt and melted butter. Press this mixture firmly onto the base of a spring-form pan, slightly higher on the sides. Now bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then let it cool completely. Now for the cheesecake filling, take cream cheese and beat it until smooth and creamy. Now add the sugar and beat again till fluffy. Next add salt and vanilla. Now add the eggs one at a time, mixing gently after each addition. Once that's done, add sour cream followed by heavy cream. Make sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl so everything blends evenly. Now wrap the springform pan in foil and place it inside a roasting tray. Pour the cheesecake filling over the cool crust and smooth the top. Carefully pour hot water onto the roasting tray to create a water bath about halfway up the pan. Now bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 1.5 hours. Once baked, turn off the oven, slightly open the door and let the cheesecake cool inside for 1 hour. This slow cooling helps prevent cracks. After that, cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. And that's it. Rich, dense, creamy perfection. And there you have it, a no-bake, eggless tiramisu and a classic New York style cheesecake, both perfect for celebrations, dinner parties or just treating yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.